Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to work on some finger muscles today. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to get your baggie that was in, I believe, I don't know if it was inside the baggie, inside your sack, or if it was just inside your sack. I think it was inside the big baggie. So it says for fine motor skills. I want you to get that out. Okay, and what you are going to do, this is what is called pipe cleaner. So you're going to just straighten it out like that. Okay, I'm going to put that down and get all of your beads out and be very careful because you don't want to lose them. Oh, Mrs. Hensley's got them going all over the place here on my table. All over the place. Okay. I'm going to put my video down so you can see. So you're not going to see Mrs. Hensley's face. You're just going to see Mrs. Hensley's beads and Mrs. Hensley's pipe cleaner. Now, friends, this is for fine motor skills, really working those finger muscles. This is going to help you hold a pencil better. It's going to help you hold a marker or a crayon better as well. So it will help with your writing and drawing. Okay, so you're going to get your pipe cleaner like this, and you're just going to string the beads on. You can make a pattern if you would like. You do not have to make a pattern. It is completely up to you because this will be yours to practice fine motor skills. So you see a hole inside the beads. The bare beads are a little different. And then you see a hole in these beads right here. You see that hole. You're going to put that pipe cleaner right through that hole. And you're just practicing working those muscles. Okay, I'm holding it with one hand and I'm putting it on with my other hand. Okay, if you would like to make a pattern, you can do that. So let's see, Mrs. Hensley's going to, ooh, I like this. Red, white, blue. That is an ABC pattern. Red, white, and blue. So which one would need to come next if I'm doing a pattern? Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. Okay, so I have a pattern A, B, C. All the A's are red, all the B's are white, all the C's are blue. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Or red, white, blue, red, white, blue, red, white, blue. Okay? Now, like I said, you may make a pattern, but you do not have to. This is yours to work on fine motor skills with, or building those muscles in your hand to help you grip things better, to help you hold a pencil better, to help you hold a marker better, and to help you hold a crayon better. Okay, so once you're all finished making something, I want you to take a picture of it with your iPad and upload it into Seesaw under this assignment. Okay, so I want a picture, and it's just going to say, I don't remember if I named it Fine Motor Skills. I think I named it both, Fine Motor Skills and Finger Muscles. So don't forget to take your picture so Mrs. Hensley can see what you made on your pipe cleaner with your beads. Okay, and if you would like to tell me about it, you can use the voice recorder, the microphone, to tell me about it as well. When you are all finished after you've gotten your picture made and uploaded to Seesaw, then you take these all off, and I'm going to put all these beads back in my baggie. Okay, so you can get this out another time and do this. So you may do this anytime you would like. You don't need Mrs. Hensley to tell you when to do this now that you know how to do it. Make sure you pick up all your beads. I would not want a little baby brother or sister to get a hold of these beads. I would not want a dog or a kitty cat to get a hold of these little beads. So make sure you're putting them in there, and they're all getting in there. and they're all back inside your baggie. And if you need adult help to zip it, just ask someone to help you. These are pretty easy to zip. So this you can use any time that you want to work on your finger muscles or your fine motor skills, okay? Have fun. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to Mrs. Hensley and hit the check mark button to submit it, okay? I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.